Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Hope you guys have all been good. Here I am. I'm back. How do you say it? I got my groove back. So this past weekend was Generation Beauty NYC. I had the privilege of being invited by Ipsy Open Studios. Just FYI, Generation Beauty is a beauty convention held by Ipsy, whose founder is Michelle Phan. I was invited this year. It was awesome. It was a great experience. So I was invited to go to Creator Day, which was the Friday before the convention started. The convention is Saturday and Sunday. So I got to go to Creator Day and both days of Gen Beauty. At Creator Day, I was able to get my hands on a nice little goodie bag. And if you want to see what's in this bag, stay tuned to the end of the video because that's where I'll be taking out all the goodies in here. So I managed to get that bag. This year they did not have a cocktail party. Reasons I don't know why. I actually didn't look into it. I'm not sure. But this is from what I heard. There was no cocktail party. So we ended up getting the big bag at Creator Day. It is huge, it is heavy, and I cannot wait to see what's inside. So Creator Day was a day for bloggers, YouTube, YouTube creators, influencers, and all that jazz. It was great. They had some interesting panels. There was one that I was really looking forward to, which was editing on iMovie and Final Cut Pro. I don't use Final Cut Pro, I use iMovie. I was really looking forward to that panel, but they were actually focused more on Final Cut Pro. So I just ended up leaving, towards the middle of it because it was all Final Cut Pro and I don't use that. There was another one about filmmaking on the phone. Like if you use your iPhone or Android to record, they showed you like different apps and stuff. That was the greatest thing ever because I record on my phone and I edit on my phone. So I took a lot of information out of that one. That was awesome. We got to get color matched by NYX. They color matched you for the Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I ended up being the shade 14 Golden Honey, and that foundation comes in 45 shades, so that's pretty awesome. And we also got to work with the brand Dose. Well, not work with, but they were there. Dose was at Creator Day, and we were able to customize our own palettes. They gave you a choice of 1 highlighter, 2 blushes, and 4 eyeshadows. Yeah, so before I show you this was their prismatic system collection. So a lot of glitter. There was some matte shadows, but I picked all glitters. I'm a big fan of glitter eyeshadow, and I picked colors that I don't have in any of my palettes because that way, I put more use to it. So these are the colors I ended up choosing. We have 2 blushes here and highlighter and the 4 shadows. I'll swatch a couple of these for you just for fun. This is a nice peachy rosy color. This is one. Ooh, shiny. This golden one is awesome. I'm trying to get my finger on it. Right there. Look at that. Bam. Cool, huh? So those are the 4 shadows some of the shadows that I picked. Like I said, 2 blushes, highlighter, and 4 shadows. So this was pretty cool. CoverGirl was there, and Kula and Hask beauty and hair care stuff. It was a really great experience. I never thought I would actually get the chance to go as a creator, so being able to go was definitely it was just insane. It was great. I'm gonna include some footage of what happened at Creator Day, some of the panels. I got to meet some really cool people, fellow creators, which is really cool because I've never met other creators, so being able to talk to them and kind of learn from their experience and things that they do it was cool. But yeah, no, it was an amazing day. Yeah, so hopefully we're in there again next year. We're hopeful. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and include some of the footage that I took that day on Creator Day. I'm gonna be filming a separate video for Gen Beauty and the unbagging of the Gen Beauty bag. The big huge bag deserves its own video because that thing is huge, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a good lengthy video. What's that line? Roll the clip, play the clip, show the clip. Anyways, the point is that here are the clips. Okay guys, here is one of the moments that you guys have been waiting for, I have been waiting for, and so we're gonna open it together. So this is the bag that I got at Creator Day. This is just one of the bags. Then there was the huge bag that I got. It was so heavy. Carrying all those this one and that bag on the train was crazy. But anyways, let's get right into this. So, drawstring bag, it says Ipsy Gen Beauty. Ooh, let's see. Okay. Oh, cool. So, looks like we have here a pink notebook, which says Create. And it is, oh, it's a planner. It's a planner, undated. So, that's fun. Then we have here, let me do this with a little finesse. Oh, here we go. We have from the company Dose. We have a Fierce and Fine graphic pen. I'm going to assume it's a eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, and a Ultra Precision eyeliner. Oh, let's see. So the Fierce and Fine graphic pen comes in the color black. Let's see. And yes, liquid eyeliner. Let's do a quick swatch. Nice. Quick liners. Pen eyeliners are awesome when you need to do them on the go. They're so easy if you just throw them in your bag. And ooh, this is a really cute fucking color. This is Ultra Precision eyeliner, and this is a nice turquoise blue. And I really, oh, check that pigment though. Oh snap. Okay, Dose. All right, Ultra Precision eyeliner. Oh, nice. And this is a Punk Volumizer mascara. Oh, their packaging is really cool. Red top, black bottom, and let's look at this pen. Nice thick brush. I said pen, didn't I? I meant brush. You know what I meant. But this is in your standard black. That's what we got from Dose. Then we have a CoverGirl Flourish by Lash Blast mascara. And It says with coconut, avocado, and papaya oils in the color Very Black. Cool. Another mascara. Then we have here from Kula the classic sunscreen white tea moisturizer, organic sun care. Cool. Sunscreen, nice to have. Then we have here from NYX. Big fan of NYX. We have their dual chromatic illuminating palette. So highlighters, let's swatch a couple of these highlighters. There's a swatch of this one here. Nice. This one looks cool. Ooh, nice. Cool. So we have a highlighting palette. That's nice. What else do we have from NYX? We have the Slip Tease lip lacquer in the shade Karma Sutya. Karma Sutya, which looks like your nice plum color. Nice. Now that we're getting into the fall. And then we have a eyeshadow, Foil Play cream eyeshadow in the shade Beauty Buzz. And it looks like your nice golden shadow. Cool. And then we have Worth the Hype Volume and Lengthening Mascara in the shade 401, which is, oh no, it's not 401. It's WTHMO3, but it's blue. It's blue mascara. Cool. We have here a palette, yes, eyeshadow palette with a two-tone base shade by PYT Beauty, and it shows you what it has going on in the back. You know, oops, I ripped it. Aww.
You know, opening packaging makes you feel kind of like, really? Like I can't do this? Is it just me? Is it because I'm so antsy to open this stuff? Come on. I got it.
Okay, so 30 years later, here we go. The PYT Beauty and No BS PYT Beauty. It is a textured, it's a black packaging and it has a texture here where it says No BS. Nice. So this is No BS eyeshadow palette. So here we have some shimmers, we have some mattes, and it looks like they put in, oh, it has a little, the colors here. Lash to brow highlight. So we have lash to brow highlights on this side and 3 shimmers and 3 matte shades here. Nice. Okay, what else do we have in here? We have from Hask long lasting oil absorption purifying dry shampoo. This is good for when you want nice refreshed hair and you don't have time to wash it. Cool. We also have, whoa, no wonder this thing was so heavy. Full Tuscan Pear Cleansing Conditioner by Wen. Let's see what this says. Full Tuscan Pear Cleansing Conditioner, limited edition blend that is designed to work with all hair types and textures. Antioxidant, rich for extracts, perfect combination to help maintain moisture, strength, volume, and shine. Conditioner by Wen. Cool. Let's see. Then we have Hair and Body Dry Oil Intensive Treatment Spray by Wen. Oh, Hair and Body. Okay, dry oil intensive treatment spray, lightweight, designed to add high gloss shine to hair and body. Okay, and it's fragrance free for those who are allergic to alcohol or fragrance. Cool. A coupon. Then we have by Reka turmeric lemon peel off mask. Okay, lemon infused peel, age spots, dark spots, acne scars. Cool. Paraben free, GMO free. Peel off mask by Reka. And then we have some pumps, which was most likely this is for the conditioner and the body spray thing. And then last but not least, we have by Smith's Cult, the Shining Lip Lacquer, Diary of a Beauty Junkie, in the shade Fade the Sun. Let's see. Oh, cool. So here we have your peachy, orangey, shimmery lip gloss. And the packaging is cute. Gold top. Has like a little texture there, unless that's a mistake, but I think it's not. Anyways, there's a little texture there. And clear packaging, so let's see. Oh, whoa. Alright, seriously, bro? Oh. Whoa. Somebody needs to hit the gym, huh? Oh, cool. I like the little applicator. It's like something clear. Okay. Here we go. This is the... What did I say the shade was? Fade the Sun. Looks like it's not so pigmented, so this is nice to go over a lipstick or just your bare lips. This is cute. Not bad. So that is what we got in our Creator Day bag. That's it. There's nothing more in there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a lot of fun. I got some really cool stuff, and I still have to do the big bag unbagging video. So that should be coming up a couple of days after this one. So please look out for that. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all that fun stuff. And yeah, peace.